Tarragon is an herb. The parts of the tarragon plant that grow above the ground are used to make medicine. Some people call tarragon mugwort. Be careful not to confuse tarragon with another plant called mugwort. What is the taste of tarragon? French tarragon has a pungent, licorice-like taste due to the presence of estragole, an organic compound that gives fennel, anise and tarragon their distinct flavors. What herb is tarragon similar to? The best fresh tarragon substitute? Fresh basil. Basil also has a vaguely anise/licorice flavor on the finish, and is bright green and herbaceous like tarragon. You can use it in a 1:1 substitution, just make sure to thinly slice the basil mimic the thin tarragon leaves. What do you use tarragon for? Here are some simple ways to incorporate tarragon into your diet. Add it to scrambled or fried eggs. Use it as a garnish on roasted chicken. Toss it into sauces, such as pesto or aioli. Add it to fish, such as salmon or tuna. Mix it with olive oil and drizzle the mix on top of roasted vegetables. Can you eat tarragon leaves raw? Just like you would use any fresh herb. Tarragon does best when you use it raw, or add it at the end of cooking a recipe to retain its flavor. It isn't meant for long cooking because it can become bitter.